the presence, the light and the love of Spirit shine within us. As we rest in this moment, we rest in the truth of that light and that love, choosing to know that right here and right now, that light and that love is greater than anything and everything around us. And so as other thoughts bubble their way into our minds, whether they're thoughts of worry, thoughts of fear, thoughts of not being enough, as they bubble up, we acknowledge their presence and then we simply set them aside, choosing to know in this moment that through our collective prayers, our collective consciousness, that the light and the love of Spirit is greater than anything and everything that we could experience in this physical realm. And so we allow ourselves to ease into this truth, to just rest in faith right here and now, as we know that the presence of Spirit within us in this and all moments is greater than the appearance of adversity around us. And so we call now in that truth. As other thoughts may pop up, other worries, we simply dismiss them with the knowledge that Spirit is greater. As worries about the state of the country show up, we acknowledge what appears to be and deny its power over us with the truth that the presence of Spirit is greater. As worries about our own life show up, with what to do next, where to go, our prosperity, our abundance, our health, we acknowledge it. And we dismiss the power those worries and thoughts have over us with the knowledge that Spirit is greater. And so we simply rest in that truth as we move into a time of silence, a time of stillness, a time of affirming Spirit's power in and around us. And so we rest in that power and allow it to energize and enthuse us with divine possibilities as we rest in the silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time, to this place, feeling the light, the love, the peace of Spirit calling us back to this moment. We know that we carry that light and love with us in this and all times. And so, as we re-enter this Sunday morning experience, we do so with gratitude in our hearts. Gratitude for the knowledge that whenever we choose, we can return to this sacred moment. And we set our intention to do just that. And so it is for that gratitude and that intention that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.